It's so hard to keep up with all of the updates in the AI world right now. So I rounded up all of those updates and I'll only show you my favorite new features in AI tools. And stick till the end. If you're using a Mac, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT 4.0 on your Mac using the official app. Welcome to the AI Tooltip Update Roundup. This is a new format that I'm introducing just to keep you updated on new features in AI tools. I'll mainly focus on features that impact the user experience and improve quality of life. There are many new ideas coming to this channel, so please subscribe and please let me know how I'm doing in the comments or just say hi. I would really appreciate that. Now let's make sense of the massive surge of new AI features. With Recraft, you can now create mockups in a really cool way, and it works really well for me. And in Recraft, you can also use Upscaler right now, and you can create logos. If you don't use Recraft already, check out my previous video where I dive deep into everything you need to know about Recraft. So here's the Recraft canvas. You'll notice you have a new option here for mockup, and this will allow you to create a product that you want to mock your logo onto. You can say a hat, for example, and it will give you a hat, and then it will give you a new square inside where you can create your vector art. So if you don't have a logo, you can go ahead and create a logo right there. So there it gives you a logo, so you have the option to move it on any angle or surface inside of this product photo. So if you have your own logo, you can also import that. So if you import your PNG or vector logo, you can bring your own logo in here, resize it, and put it on the product. And it will adapt to any surface. You can even bring your own product and your own logo and merge them here into a mockup. So I just found this photo online, and when you get your own photo in here, you're gonna have to click on this flag up there, so it converts it to a mockup. Now that it's a mockup, you can import your logo. So here's my logo. I got a white logo here, and I can put it on the product photo that I found online. You can shoot your own product and then put the logo on it like this. How awesome is that? It will adapt to any surface in this photo. You can put it here, so you can convert any image, and it will adapt, and you can put your logo on any surface in that image. It will adapt to any surface. There we go. How cool is that? It really does a great job with this. And then we have Leonardo AI. They have a huge update. They redesigned the whole interface, and they brought better usability and better user experience, so you can easily navigate the previously very intimidating layout. So right now, it's very simple. You can use your tools in a very clear way. I think it's getting closer to what Midjourney has right now with their web platform as well. I'm really liking this competition between Leonardo and Midjourney, because before you had Midjourney in Discord, and Leonardo AI had a web platform that you can use. And then Midjourney created a web platform, and it was better than what Leonardo AI has. So now Leonardo is matching pretty much what Midjourney has on their web platform, because in the whole AI space right now, we are kind of getting used to the same elements and the same components to create images. So it's really nice to see everybody lining up with the best practices for UI and UX and AI tools. Another great feature in Leonardo AI is character reference. You can now upload an image of a person, and it will reference that character in your AI generated images. I also really like the transparency mode in Leonardo AI, where it creates a PNG for you with transparent backgrounds, so you can use them anywhere in your marketing or design materials. And now with Leonardo AI, you have this really concise and clean and clear sidebar menu here that you can easily use. Let's go to image generation here, and I'll show you my favorite features. Here I was trying the character reference to see how accurate it gets, but it didn't really get my face exactly. So we're still a ways from that, but it does get the style and the look of the person. Go to preset and select what you visually think will look like the outcome that you want. Just select that. Let's say portrait, for example, and then you can get further detailed. For portrait, you have these styles that are available here. So you can choose what kind of portrait you want. Let's say film. And this is the really good features that I like here. The transparency feature will give you a PNG that you can use on any background. Now, to me, the most important feature here is this guy right there. You can add a photo for image guidance. And what I really like about this in the UI is that it shows you exactly what each one does. Click on view more, and it will show you a whole page with what each image reference does. So this one will allow you to import text as an image and then export it in the style of the image that you want. So you don't have to actually worry about the generator creating text. It will just pull it from your photo. These are really cool features. But overall, I really love the new update, and the UI and the UX has been really improved in my opinion. Let's try one prompt here with character reference. I'll choose my character here. Once you upload your image, you have an arrow here which will tell you how close you want the generated image to be to your image. Let's stay high and then type the prompt. And now it created an image with the portrait preset and portrait film style, and using my character, it's giving me a really good realistic photo. And then there's a really unique feature in ideogram where it allows you to generate images that would tile seamlessly, horizontally or vertically, or in a brick grid or in a regular grid. The way they're doing this is really unique, and I like that. You also have style tags, and you have the editor that they have now in ideogram. The really cool feature they have here is style, which works differently than other tools. Here in this option here, you can have a grid or a brick grid, or you can have a photo seamlessly stitched side by side, but not up and down. So it's not really a pattern, but you can create a panoramic photo. Check out these examples here. With this image, you can create a grid like this, and then you can create a brick grid where it alternates. A really cool way to create patterns. This one, for example, is creating a pattern vertically. The bottom of this image will seamlessly stitch with the top, so it looks like this, and you can extend that as much as you want. And this is a horizontal example where this bottle on the left completes the bottle on the right, so you can put them together infinitely. Another really cool feature they just added is the ideogram editor. You can click on any image on the edit button right there, and it will allow you to actually draw with your mouse or your pen just simple shapes, and it will convert them to actual images using your prompt. So you can really control the structure of the image. Let's say you want text here, and it will add the text for you here. All you have to do is doodle yourself some shapes, and then it will create the image for you. Like here they want to add a dragonfly, so I just drew a simple dragonfly shape and it added it right there. So that's really cool. Really, the sky's the limit. You can create whatever you want, and you can make it actually look good. As promised, with ChatGPT 4.0, I was waiting since the announcement for this Mac app that they promised, but they didn't offer it to me. It turns out I already have access to it, they just didn't offer me the app to download. And some people got this notification inside ChatGPT that you can download it on your Mac, but I didn't get it, so I went and found the link and I downloaded the app, and it turns out I already have access to it, they just didn't offer it to me. So if you have a paid plan, click on the link in the description to download the official ChatGPT app, and it will work with ChatGPT 4.0 on your Mac. Thank you for watching all the way through. If you want a deeper dive about any of the tools I just mentioned, check out my recent videos. If you like AI tools like me, subscribe to my newsletter, aitoolstip.io. You'll receive an email, a very short email every week, just with my favorite new features. See you next time.